All right, we're here at Buffalo Wild Wings in West Laco. As you can see, this is the mop sink. Am I correct?
Yes, mop sink.
The mop sink. You see how clogged it is. We're also going to be doing on this part, which is the floor sink. As you can see, all that is water there. He is vacuuming out as much as he can.
Hand me that bucket. Is it empty inside the drain?
Okay, we're looking at inside the drain. As you can see,
The T, can you see the T on this side? Yeah, right there. On the left side, you see where the floor sink ties into the mop sink above the P-trap. And that's why we sucked out as much water as we can. And now we're ready to pour the drain punch down the drain to see how long it'll take to work. It's 6:19 right now, and we're pouring it down.
you're setting
And
the
we
timer.
started the stopwatch right now. It's still 6:19, and we're gonna see how long it takes for it to work. All right, it's been 5 minutes. You can tell that the drain punch is activated. It is working. It's breaking loose all the food particles that are in the pipe, and they're coming up to the top of the surface. And you can tell that it's working, and it's only been 5 minutes, and it's foaming, and it is bringing up a lot of food particles, so it's doing its job. All right, it's been 15 minutes, and you can tell the food particles in there are getting bigger, and they're coming up to the surface and going to the left side of the pipe where the floor sink is, and there's just that much buildup of food particles, grease, God knows what's in there. But as you can tell, it is working, but there's just a lot of it to eat. All right.
As you can see right now, it's flowing through. There's no backup. It's going through like it should be. There is nothing there either. The elapsed time was 30 minutes.